Well, good morning, everyone. Tamara Lee Ulmer with Arizona Resource Realty, and it is a crisp morning out here in beautiful Pinetop, Arizona. I'm getting ready to walk you through my newest listing at 555 East Pinecrest Drive in beautiful Pinetop. This is a new HUD home, a new HUD property that's going to be coming available. And I'm going to go ahead and take you inside and show you around. So as you can see, just towering pine trees all around this beautiful lot. And so let's go ahead. Now, as we enter, you can see the flooring is just beautiful in here. And this cabin just has so much potential. Really a beautiful cabin. Love the flooring. Let's walk into the kitchen first. And so, with some updating, just really a nice site-built home. Walking around into the dining area, and then off here to my right is a one-car garage, but it's really oversized. A little bit dark in there, but you can see that it has lots of space in here, lots of extra workshop space, and some sliding doors out to the backyard. And I will take you back there in just a moment, but let's go ahead and take a look at the bedrooms here. Walking through the main living room, and right off to our right is the bathroom number 2, the guest bath. A little bit dark. I wish it was a little lighter in here. It's kind of in the morning, but it does have a full bath. And over to our left is bedroom number 2. I'm going to call it bedroom number 2. There's 3 bedrooms. There's bedroom 2. Here is bedroom number 3, and beautiful wood flooring. Now, in these first 2 bedrooms, the flooring needs some work. It needs to be buffed out, but I mean, it is authentic wood, and it is really beautiful. In the main bedroom here, the flooring is shined. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is what the other flooring can look like in the other bedrooms, and it's just a beautiful, bright main bedroom. And the main bathroom here, I'll just show you in there. It is a 3/4 bath, and yeah, so really nice. And so here is just a shot. Now let's take a look outside. This lot is spectacular. It really is. It's a very large lot, 0.3 some acres, and we're gonna walk around. Let me point back at the kitchen though for you. And we're gonna take a look at the laundry area right here. Washer, dryer, hot water heater, furnace. And let's walk out on this deck here, back deck. I mean, it's so peaceful here, so quiet, so many nice, beautiful pine trees. Let's take a look back. And yeah, just towering pines. I love the smell out here. All the leaves have fallen off the trees. Let's go ahead and just kind of take a visual. And so, really nice storage shed down there. And there is the exterior of the property. Take you back out to the front. And so that is basically your full tour of this beautiful Pinetop cabin. And as you can see, ready for a new owner. It's in a great location. If you have any questions, please reach out and let us know. Thank you for taking the tour with me today. Until next time, make it a great day.